Industrial engineering is the branch of engineering that involves figuring out how to make or do things better. Industrial engineers are concerned with reducing production costs, increasing efficiency, improving the quality of products and services, ensuring worker health and safety, protecting the environment, and complying with government regulations. According to the Institute of Industrial Engineers, they work to eliminate waste of time, money, materials, energy, and other commodities. For example, industrial engineers may work to streamline an operating room, shorten a roller coaster line, make assembly lines safer and more efficient, and speed up the delivery of goods. Industrial and system engineers are different because of a systems perspective. For example, a mechanical engineer may be tasked with designing a machine to make it faster or more energy efficient. However, the industrial and systems engineer will be tasked with designing the production line that integrates all machinery in order to produce a product. Furthermore, the industrial and systems engineer will oversee all operations of the plant to make sure that system, not just an individual machine, is running efficiently. In this video, we will be discussing three disciplines within industrial and system engineering: manufacturing engineering, quality engineering, and logistics and supply chain engineering.
Logistics is defined as a scientific technique in which evaluation is used to control inventory, production, sales, management, and staff in order to keep a solid capital and monetary flow. Logistics engineers are those people in charge of designing and analyzing systems employed in distributing those goods and services. They evaluate all aspects of methods of distribution, typically called supply chain, with the ultimate goal of improving efficiency, thus generating higher profits for their employers. Logistics and supply chain engineering involves managing the flow of material and information throughout the supply chain in order to better support the goals of the organization. This includes determining the locations in which services are to be provided or products produced, the paths and modes of transportation of material between these locations and the final customer, control of the amounts stored at different locations in the supply chain, and the management of the operations by which the products and services are produced and delivered. Depending on their tasks, supply chain and logistics engineers work in either offices or in the setting they're trying to improve. For example, when observing a problem, they may watch workers assembling parts in a factory. When solving a problem, they may be in an office at a computer looking at data that they or others have collected. Generally, there's extensive traveling so that they have a better grasp of all aspects of production and distribution. Logistics engineering is a growing career field because it's essential for companies to keep up and to coordinate with other companies. Asian companies, for example, often make specific components that are sent off and assembled in other countries, and it's critical to maintain control of where the product is located. Because of this, logistics and supply chain engineering jobs are constant demand throughout the world and provide excellent career growth opportunities to progress into upper management. Currently, employers such as Amazon and Alibaba are looking for engineers to help grow their distribution networks in China and the United States. Some other companies that are actively pursuing applicants are Lennox Heating and Cooling Systems and Bumblebee Foods, who are both looking for someone to handle warehouse logistics. U.S. government and military contractor Northrop Grumman and NTG Services are also looking for engineers to help with their international logistics program.
The responsibilities of manufacturing engineering is to develop and improve manufacturing processes by studying product and manufacturing methods. Any kind of product coming from industry comes by manufacturing engineers. These engineers are needed in our society to assemble and make products faster during the manufacturing process. There are many duties for a manufacturing engineer. Some duties consist of developing manufacturing processes by researching, designing, modifying, and testing manufacturing methods and equipment. Preparing product and process reports by collecting, analyzing, and summarizing information and trends is another duty. Also, assuring product and process quality by designing a testing method, testing the finished product and processes, establishing standards, and confirming manufacturing processes. These are just some of many duties of a manufacturing engineer. A manufacturing engineer has many skills and qualifications, such as dealing with complexity, informing others, leadership, supervision, hardware specifications, manufacturing quality, product development, presenting technical information, and so on. There are over 1,000+ jobs available for a manufacturing engineer throughout the world. These jobs vary in different branches such as electronics, phones, cars, and even aircraft. Some big major companies such as Verizon, Intel, Philips, Tesla Motors, General Motors, and a Hong Kong aircraft engineering company provide jobs for many manufacturing engineers. Jobs of manufacturing engineers vary to all different kinds of fields, down to the big question: what is the salary of a manufacturing engineer? Manufacturing engineers make anywhere from $49,000 to $88,000. These numbers do not include bonuses, and these numbers can vary with different companies you are working for. Working for a company such as Tesla, you can be looking close to $100,000 a year as a salary. When working for different companies, your salary as a manufacturing engineer can change drastically.
Quality engineers monitor and audit the quality of all manufactured goods. Some examples of this are medication, electronics, and water treatment. Quality engineers not only find defects, but in most cases work with the manufacturer to find the culprit of a defect or problem the manufacturer's product has. In this way, quality engineers serve the needs of society in releasing to them the best possible products. Currently, companies such as Digital Technology Solutions, Randstad Engineering, Cantel Medical, Contapiro Technology Solutions, and the Sanamia Corporation are hiring quality engineers. Quality engineering is a very important profession, and as such, companies such as Google, Microsoft, and Apple are all offering quality engineering jobs in Mountain View, California, Redmond, Washington, and Cupertino, California, respectively. The salary for a basic quality engineer job typically can range from $60,000 to $80,000, but as you get more into a managerial position, salary can reach up to $130,000. Quality engineers have a variety of duties and responsibilities based on the specific kind of product they are working with, but most do a similar set of tasks. Quality engineers audit the final product of what the manufacturer puts out to the public. This involves checking a certain set of features to make sure the product is ready for release to the public. They test the product's durability by determining what part may break down first. They also verify the product's dimensions, color, material, and structural integrity to find and identify problems. Quality engineers typically work in a laboratory running tests on certain products. It is also common for quality engineers to meet in groups to collaborate on different ideas to make a product better.